Hey everyone, I wanted to get on here really fast and do a video about Farmhouse's upcoming tent sale. I am super excited. I will be there. I was not there last year at their first tent sale, but I'm going to be there this year at this one. I believe it's going to be an annual thing, but don't quote me. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. I'm going to just kind of be a part of it and to, you know, meet y'all and to see Sally again and Kristen and the rest of the ladies of Farmhouse and just be in on all the fun. Now it is going to be March 29th, which is a Friday. That's going to be the tent sale. Now they're also going to be open March 28th, that Thursday. Now the March 28th one is going to be just for store items. So how Farmhouse is they have their normal store, which I tell you what, that store just to be in is like, it is, you can't even describe it. I try to nicely describe it as organized chaos, and I mean that in like the best possible way, because you walk in and it is literally, it is floor to ceiling goodies of dreamy fabric to laces to, I mean, it is just like a candy store for sewing people, okay? It is amazing, and you really just can't, you can't like describe it unless you experience it. So I remember the first time I experienced it was one of their 4th of July sales that they used to hold. And that was the first time, because up until then I've been ordering online for several years, and then I went to a 4th of July sale and I got to meet Sally and Kristen and all the rest of them and just see the whole store. It was just like, it's incredible. It reminds me of like the scene in Harry Potter where Harry goes in to find his like wand, and the whole wand store is like, I mean, it's just like organized chaos, and the guy just picks it up. He picks Harry's wand. He knows exactly where it is. They know exactly where everything is. It's all organized, but it's just, there's so much of it, and you really can't, like, you can't describe it. You just have to experience it. So Thursday you can go and experience it. You can also, and that's from noon until 4. Then you can also experience it. They will be opening the store again on Friday, but obviously the focus of Friday is the tent sale. They're gonna have one of those massive tents that you would use for like a wedding or something, you know, like an event tent, whatever, and that's gonna be the tent sale. Now, like I said, I didn't go to last year's tent sale, but I have been to 2 of their 4th of July sales, and Sally knows how to do a sale. So like, I'm confident in saying that it will be worth your effort in getting your butt there, okay? It will be worth it. So you can make it into a girls' weekend sort of thing, coming over, staying in Augusta, doing Thursday in the shop, doing Friday. I guess it's not really a weekend, but a girls' trip. Staying Friday to do the tent sale. It's gonna be worth your while. I remember one of the deals, now this was like 4 to 5 years ago, so I don't remember all the deals, but when I went back to their 4th of July sale, I remember getting this gorgeous blue voile, if I'm saying that right, for $1 a yard. It was a 10-yard bundle for $10, and I made several dresses off of it, and I still have some fabric left over. So yeah, she knows how to throw a sale, okay? It'll be worth your while. They are expecting a lot of people. They did not ask me to do this video. I'm just doing this video because I love them so much. It's not because they sponsor my videos that I love them. I love them way before then, and then I am just tickled pink that they want to sponsor my videos. Now, I do want to, like, because I get some questions, like, I am telling you this just because I love them. Now, it does not directly benefit me that you go, except for the fact that I know you're going to have a wonderful experience. I know that these sort of sewing stores are very rare, and Farmhouse is simply like a gem, okay? I don't know how else to say that. I have ordered, I used to go to Joann's. Now, Joann's plays that whole coupon game, and most of their fabrics are just not good quality. I have also, before I found Farmhouse, I ordered from some other mom and pop heirloom stores, and I had a horrible experience. Like, they're not all created equal. Farmhouse's customer service is unmatched, and I have not ordered from everybody, so I'm sure there's other quality stores out there, but I do I'm confident in saying that you will have a wonderful experience with Farmhouse, which is why I push them so much. I mean, yeah, it's great that they sponsor my videos, and I'm tickled pink, and I wouldn't be able to sew this much if they didn't sponsor my videos, but I'm making this video just to, like, it's for you, because you're gonna have a wonderful experience going there, and if you're into this sort of sewing, like, it's just so rare. So does that make sense? Like, I've had questions like, I don't make a commission, there's nothing like directly benefiting me except for that you're supporting them and they're supporting me and that whole lovely cycle. So I'm not like, do you see what I'm saying? I have lucked out immensely with the Farmhouse sponsorship, because they only, what is it? Oh, you want that? Because they only sponsor, like, they only give me the materials, okay? They are not, they're not paying me to read a script. Turn around, sweetie. They're not paying me to read a script. They're not paying me for things that are not authentic. They're not, like, pushing any sort of product. You know, it's the best thing, and I will tell you, even being a small YouTube channel, I am approached from other brands, like other companies, and I've turned them all down because they're not authentic. You know, I want to be authentic to this channel and to my own opinions. I'm not going to read a script from anybody. I'm not going to do a meal delivery service just for the sake of getting a check, because I've never used one and it doesn't fit with sewing. So do you hear what I'm saying? I am tickled pink with Farmhouse because I had personally used them for a number of years before they started sponsoring me, and so it's a very natural fit. You're welcome, baby. It's a very natural fit, and I have used them enough just as a person before this whole sponsor thing that I know you're going to have a wonderful experience. So that's why I get behind them so much, is because I feel that comfortable putting my name on it. Do you see what I'm saying? Anywho, so that's going to be the tent sale. I am so excited to be there. I will be there without the kiddos. Charlie's going to be watching them for the day, so I can have a conversation. Not that no offense, guys. No offense. But yeah, I'm super excited to be there. It will be completely worth your while, and I'm excited to be a part of it. So if you have any questions, hold on, sweetie. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.